Today, we will learn some vocabulary related to technology and science. So let's get started. Say these words with your English voice. Experiment. Experiment. An experiment is a test done in order to learn something or to discover if something works or is true. Robot. Robot. A robot is a machine controlled by a computer that is used to perform jobs automatically. Research. Research. Research is a detailed study of a subject, especially in order to discover new information or reach a new understanding. Microscope. Microscope. A microscope is a device that uses lenses to make very small objects look larger so that they can be scientifically examined and studied. X-ray. X-ray. An X-ray is a type of radiation that can go through many solid substances, allowing hidden objects such as bones and organs in the body to be photographed. Elements. Elements. This is a simple substance that cannot be reduced to smaller chemical parts. For example, hydrogen. Theory. Theory. Something suggested as a reasonable explanation for facts, a condition, or an event, especially a systematic or scientific explanation.